Our second income stream, we're going to show you how to get paid unlimited $100 payments into your PayPal account without spending $100, and that's very awesome, guys. I have a second revenue stream income build into the automated cash income system, and it's very easy to set up that income stream and get paid unlimited $100 payments. And like I say, do not have to spend $100. And the best part, you can start for free on that income stream, and then you'll be on your way to generate those payments, and you are guaranteed to make those payments. All you gotta do is go to this website of automatedcashincomesystem.com, automatedcashincomesystem.com, and put in your email down here. Get instant access. Click the button, put your email, and I'm sending you variable emails to get you back to the webinar. If you missed the webinar, if you get to the webinar and you begin to set up your own automated cash income system, and you do not complete it, I'm gonna send you some emails so you can also get it completed. If you don't have enough time to set it up all today or later on today, I'm gonna send you powerful emails. So make sure you check your email inbox, your spam box, if you did not get it to your inbox. Okay, so it's very important that you use a Gmail account, because those are more hyper respond and confirm to get it into your inbox than your spam box than Yahoo. Okay, make sure you use Gmail and use your PayPal email on the first income stream so you can get paid those limited $20 to $25 commissions into your PayPal account. Okay. So this has been a video about an update of Poverty System, of the bonuses they give you just by being an affiliate, and I can give you this automated done for you system all set up. You can copy it and get it done. So I see you on the website, and see you in the inside. Peace.